Hey everybody, today we're getting a grand tour of the garden office project that has finally been completed. For all of you who are working at home, can you imagine having an office that's nestled in the middle of a serene garden? Well, that's exactly what we're going to see today. So let's go take a look. All right, y'all, here is my wonderful mother. She is the proud owner of this state-of-the-art glass garden office. Mom, how you doing today?
I am doing fabulous. It's a wonderful day. The weather is nice. It's Thanksgiving and we have lots of family here and that feels amazing.
Yep, we had some good turkey.
Yes.
So, Mom, what was your vision that inspired you to create a garden office?
Well, nature is so soothing and so healing for people that I wanted a space where my clients and I could be immersed in nature while we were doing healing work.
So how will you use this office day to day? Is it more of a meeting space or are you going to do computer work in there as well?
Well, actually, to me, it's a multi-purpose building. And so I can do computer work in there. I'll meet with clients in there. Anything else that occurs to me, I will use this beautiful space for.
So how do you think the guest experience is going to be when you're meeting your guests here in this serene garden office compared to like other typical offices that are in a parking lot and in large commercial buildings?
Well, my clients have already told me that meeting in this space is their most interesting and experience, and that it gives them a whole different perspective looking through the glass and seeing all the beautiful gardens that are around it, that they feel very calm, peaceful, and away from the chaos of the world.
All right, now I think the part that everybody's mostly excited about, let's go take a tour. We'll get the grand tour of the garden office, but also so you can see the full garden here.
And there is going to be some more work done on the landscape.
Yeah, so you're going to have an expert do that? You're going to do all of it yourself?
Oh, no, no, it's going to be an expert.
Yeah, all right, well, let's step in this garden office now. Got a little echo.
So we have a mini split here for air and heat. There are these high ceilings, beautiful tall windows, so that when we're in here, people can see everything. And these fabulous floors that were put in, all of the trim that was put on the windows that was done in such a meticulous way. And the builder did a beautiful, beautiful job. There will be some artwork here and covering the electric panel.
So you are going to put a piece of art right there over that panel?
Yes, going to put a piece of art there.
Yeah.
And probably art with a lot of color, because there's so much white in the room that I will bring out a pop of color over here. And we can open this window and let the air in if it's a nice temperature outside.
Yeah, so what about these floors? Is that like natural wood or what did you end up putting on the floor?
It was a peel and stick.
Oh, that's the LVP they call it, the luxury vinyl plank.
Yes, that's what it is. And then like when people are sitting here, they can look out and see the Katrina roses that are will be all over that fence. And when they bloom, those beautiful pink blooms, it's very soothing and gentle for the spirit.
Yeah, I love these chairs, Mom. You picked us some. This one here is my favorite. It's got that, I didn't know what that's called, but tufted leather. It is definitely a really comfortable feeling chair. All right, now if you're interested in seeing step by step how this was put together, here's a little bit of footage, time lapse of us getting this built. Also, look in the description. I have a link to some resources for the plans and some other imagery that you can take a look at. Thank you so much for the garden tour. I really love how everything turned out. For everybody out there, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've always got projects going on and have a lot more coming, so please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.